Welcome to my new video. In this video I show you how to rename a file using C# code. We have an Excel file here that we want to rename. Copy the path of the file. Add an invoke code activity. Change the programming language to C#. Create the following arguments. Path_old file name, this is for the original file name. Add the path here. Path_new file name, this is for the new name. Add the same path and change the name of the file. Now let's write the code. We use the move function. First we enter the argument for the old name, then the argument for the new name. The code is ready and can be executed. As you can see, the name of the file has been changed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more videos about automation in UiPath.